This is literally one of those videos that will make you think, man, I would have loved to have seen that 20 years ago. Just like anyone else, I would buy the chicken bases, beef bases, bouillons to make my food taste good. Then I found out how easy it was to make and how superior it makes my food taste. And now I'm showing you. I start out with the same ingredients I'm going to make a chicken stock or a broth with. I'm using scrap chicken on this one. You can use any chicken you want. I did add a little bit of diced pork fat because, as we know, fat is flavor. If you're not down with the swine though, skip it. To the chicken, you're going to add the mirepoix. I use leeks, carrots, celery, a little bit of garlic, parsley stems, thyme, fresh ground black pepper, and to 12 ounces of water, I added just under half a cup of salt. That's right, it's still a base, it's gotta be salty. That's what helps preserve it. I cook on full blast, covered for 10 minutes. Take that cover off, evaporate some of that liquid out. We still need some liquid. Then I puree it in the blender. Remember, hot items, you wanna gradually increase the speed to avoid explosion. I do add a little bit of xanthan gum to help thicken, not needed. You can store in any jar or container you want. To rinse out the blender, I add water, put it back on, turn it on high. It cleans the edges and makes stock at the same time. This is good to store in the fridge for 1 week or in the freezer for a couple months. Any issues making this? Let me know. Peace.